Louis Pasteur was pretty incredible. He invented the rabies vaccine which saved countless lives. And he even made vaccine for dogs. I mean pets. But what about street dogs? It's like everyone forgetting about them. It seems kind of selfish, right? Maybe I'm overthinking it. But is it wrong to care them so much? Okay, this garden is a disaster zone. I need to clean this up before my classes. The rains made it easier to pull out the roots, so that's a plus. But now I'm wondering, am I being too harsh here? Cause I don't have much time. Wait. Am I just pulling these plants out like some kind of ruthless gardener? Does this make me a bad person or am I just overthinking this? I guess so. Ouch! People talk about file terms, right? Like heterophile if you are into someone and cacophile if you are not having the best time. I think I might be necrophile. Yeah, that's a bit extreme. But I'm fascinated by death. It's like I'm constantly analyzing the end of things. I want people around me to be the same. Okay, baby, it's time to leave this cruel mankind. Oh, wait. Look at this, guys. Look at this flower. It's all bright and pretty, but it's probably hurting outside. Cause they know what I'm doing. It's like us, putting on a smile even when we are struggling. And here I am, thinking about plucking it. Am I being cruel? It feels weird. You know, like I'm taking something beautiful away. If I kill this with my own hands, it feels like I'm betraying the lives that depend on these plants. So I thought of it keeps me up at night, so worrying. Maybe it's better if I just let them live. Oh my goodness, I need to finish this up before I'm late for college. I mean, there is so much time to get things done, right? So it's not like the garden's going anywhere. Maybe the next time I try not to think so much. But then again, maybe that's just who I am.